Philippines is witnessing a major political storm as former President Rodrigo Duterte faces trial at the International Criminal Court, ICC, while his daughter, Vice President Sara Duterte, prepares for an impeachment trial. Rodrigo Duterte, known for his controversial war on drugs, is now in ICC custody, facing charges of crimes against humanity. The court alleges that thousands of extrajudicial killings occurred under his administration. His detention has divided the nation. Some see it as justice served, while others view it as foreign interference. His pre-trial hearing is scheduled for September 2025, potentially leading to a historic conviction. Meanwhile, Vice President Sara Duterte has been impeached by the House of Representatives on allegations of corruption, betrayal of public trust, and constitutional violations. However, the Senate has delayed her trial until June 2025, citing procedural reasons. With the upcoming midterm elections, the political landscape could shift, influencing the final verdict. Legal experts debate whether all charges against her are valid, but political analysts argue that the trial is as much about power struggles as it is about justice. The once dominant Duterte family is now facing its biggest challenge. While Rodrigo Duterte's trial unfolds on the international stage, Sara Duterte's impeachment will test the country's legal system. These events raise critical questions about justice and democracy in the Philippines. Are these actions genuine accountability measures, or are they politically motivated? The coming months will determine not only the fate of the Dutertes, but also the future of Philippine governance.